Hi guys, so I got some stuff with my money that I've been saving. It cost $20. Okay, so I got a Beanie Moo. I'm collecting them to get as many as my friend has because she has a lot. I got a choker. You can barely see it, I think. Ah! Stop it, Zuzu. Ah! I'm sorry about this. My dog is going wild. Okay.
Kids, I tell you.
Zuzu. Okay, so Zuzu, I got her. And let's open it.
You got it?
I need scissors. Ask your parents to get scissors for you and do not use very sharp scissors like me.
Emma's allowed to use scissors. She knows how to use them.
A knife. Time to open if I can. So many things. First thing, I'm gonna have this. It looks like a dead fish. I think it's supposed to be a dead fish. I thought it'd be like hard, not squishy. Oh, that feels weird. That looks and feels so weird.
Let's see.
I can't try something. It literally, I think it's supposed to be a dead fish.
I think so too.
That's so cool. Like this part feels like so. Don't mind the background. My mom watching a movie. It's like it feels so weird. Comment if you can comment if this looks like a dead fish, because it does. Moving on. Help me! Fish are attacking. Okay. Oh, it's a slap bracelet. Well, that works surprisingly well. Slappy. Dead hand. Move your sleeve up, please.
Okay.
Can I try?
Go ahead.
Ow. Next.
Rainbow color.
Is this...
Emma, what does the rainbow represent?
It represents that it's a symbol that God will never flood the earth again.
Exactly.
And this, we're gonna have a little taco. It's a little squishy taco, I think. It's a little squishy. It's like a slow rise squishy.
That's it. I like tacos. That was good.
You need me a taco. It's on your shoulder.
Can't do any tricks with her. She spoils it all. What's next?
Slime.
Slime. That looks like honey.
It's a pumpkin. Okay.
It's a pumpkin. Oh, I like pumpkin.
Oh, no. Don't mind my cat. My future cats.
Video bomb.
Don't
Hi,
mind
Pong.
my future kittens. Where? Sheltering. When I forget how
If she's not allergic. We don't think she is now. She hasn't shown any signs.
We didn't get to that yet.
Get to what?
The panda thing. It's wet. On the container. Let's get this off. Okay. If you don't want to work with me here, slime.
Reminds me of the Heinz ketchup commercial from years ago.
Can you work with me?
Ew.
It's like wet. It's wet. Ew, it's wet.
It feels slimy, like something that comes out of your nose.
Ew. Okay. It sounds cool, but Oh, it doesn't feel it. I mean, it feels like not like it feels cold, but it's so slimy. I need to wash my hands. And don't mind the pong stirring your guys' face.
All right, I'll put this back.
Thank you.
Excuse me,
I'll
there,
be right
Pong.
back. No, cat. Oh, no. Okay.
Pong's trying to get his debut.
Saving him for last.
This video will get 1 million views because of a cat.
No, cat. No. 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 No, stop, cat.
He's like, I want to get in it.
Next. While Dad puts this away. I had one of these. It was like pink and blue. Then it died.
It died.
It broke. One of like these parts fell out and it died.
So I guess it was alive at one time for it to die?
Oh yeah. You wanna try?
Sure.
Well, I found more slime.
Like she needs more slime.
I already have like 4 slimes already. Or like 5.
Okay.
Next, more
What's
slime.
Oh, brother.
It's an egg, like Easter, because Easter's today.
You want me to try?
Yeah. Dead fish. Taco. Like this video if you think Mr. Taco Dude is
Looks yummy.
cute. Can people comment on this video?
I don't know. They should be. I think they might be able to.
If you can comment your guys's comment what you guys think his name should be. I think his name should be Bob the Taco.
Everything's Bob to her.
I'm a Bob.
I'm probably Bob to her too.
No. You're Ken the Baldy.
Do I have hair? Please tell her.
No, you don't.
Here, it's open.
Thank you.
You're going to have that egg for breakfast tomorrow morning.
I guess I'm not eating breakfast. It's like a putty like. It looks like the galaxy.
The galaxy?
Yeah, look.
A galaxy far, far away.
Like Buzz.
I am Buzz Lightyear.
You
I
are
come in
not.
peace.
You are not Buzz Lightyear. Dad, you are not Buzz Lightyear. You come from Earth. You do not come from outer space.
Are you sure about that? You sure I'm not an alien?
Well, you come from the Flintstones, all right.
The Flintstones? Well, the Flintstones were from Earth.
Yeah, so you're not alien. I'm not saying you're an alien. I'm saying that you're about 1 million years old.
1 million years old? Here we go, photobomb again by the cat.
No. If you show your butt Pong. Oh gosh, I need help.
You need help?
But
Let's see. I am so young. I can put this thing back together.
you are so old. You can't even stand up. Next we're gonna do cursed unicorn. Now next we're gonna do weird looking panda. Weird looking panda. Excuse me. Dead fish. Do you want a dead fish in your house? If don't, call the dead fish exterminators. It's okay if it doesn't all fit.
All right, I think it's in there.
Okay.
Doesn't matter. Just going to have this for breakfast tomorrow morning. All right, what we got next?
Weird panda thing.
Oh, cool.
It's
Can I see it for a minute?
sticky. You made a mark on your forehead.
Will it stay? Ah.
Oh,
It's safe for about half a
kinda
second.
stayed. Moving
There you go.
on, because that's not interesting.
You sound not interesting?
No,
You
that's
sound boring?
No, I never said
You
that.
sound boring. You hear that? You sound
never
not
said
interesting.
you
What do you guys think?
boring.
Am I interesting?
No, yes, you are. Curse-looking unicorn things.
I might need a magnifying glass to see those things.
There's only one pink one. It's like they're cursed. They're sticking together. It's just a big clump of unicorns. It's just a big clump of unicorns. I don't know why. You can have a blue unicorn. I'm gonna have a green unicorn. Unicorns are just gonna lay down.
Unicorn on your shoulder.
I don't need a unicorn stuck to my head.
What was on your head was on your shoulder.
Well, yes, true, but I don't want it actually getting stuck in my hair.
Oh, I'm thinking about since we're out of scissors, you could play about tangles all the time, right?
No.
You sure?
No! Next!
Next.
Mushy! That my cats love to eat. My cats love to eat these things. I don't have a pig, I don't think. Yeah, I don't have a pig. Sketchy. Moving on to where's the?
It's in there.
It's a maze. It's like this cube maze.
There's a ball in there. There's a little marble in there.
Yeah, there's like a little marble that is almost impossible to find.
Hey man, that's marble I lost.
I don't think you lost that marble.
Oh, so you don't think I lost my marbles? All right.
Oh, you definitely lost your marbles. Time to open this. I have one of these. I don't have
Is it your
orange
bedtime?
one. I don't have school tomorrow.
That's pretty cool.
It like only comes out from one hole.
You gotta love the sound.
I love it. Last. Is squishy. I've been saving this one for last because, well, yeah.
Save the best for last.
It feels like a Nido. It's a little avocado. Is this an avocado? What is this? I love this. Your little cute face smushed, demolished. Your little cute bowl smushed, demolished. Why does it have so red cheeks? Did it get burnt? Did you
Maybe it was out in the cold too long.
Yeah.
Look at that. She beats him up, and he's still happy.
He's not really smiling, but he's not.
I thought he was smiling.
He's not.
He probably smiling
but he's
before
not
she beat him up.
Yeah.
Oh, I missed.
I wanted a wobble, but I didn't get a wobble. And I just got a choker. I already told you this. But I'm excited for the choker. I love it.
You love it.
And then there's...
And here we go. Photo bomb from Ping.
No. Ping, if you show your butt. I'm so afraid they're going to show their butts. My boosty.
All right, so we done? What's your favorite fidget out of all these?
I'm going to have to think about that.
Or do you have more than one?
My favorites are the little squishy guy and this. I love me.
Tomorrow's lunch.
I don't know.
You don't know?
I don't want to eat him. He has a cute face.
Do 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 do. If you notice anything on Emma's thumb, it's dyed from dying eggs. Anything else?
One more thing.
What? Don't worry, we'll be able to get it. Don't worry about it. It went under the chair, but we should be able to get it. All right, so if you got, one guys, let us know if you have any of these fidgets and which one's your favorite fidget. If you have any of these, we're from this box. So she actually got this box at Walgreens near us.
There's a Walgreens in our development.
Well, it's outside
It's not in our development, but it's like when we come out of the development, go down like this road, there's a Walgreens and a Dunkin'.
All right, so if you guys like this video,
hit the thumbs up.
Yeah, give it a big thumbs up. Like, see more of our videos.
Hit the subscribe button.
Please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, bye.